Hi guys, in today's video, I'm at Davie Road Rest Stop. You can find this mini museum and rest stop on your way to Castara when you visit the sister island of Tobago. Here at this rest stop, you will find items from the past. You can find currency, coins, so many old relics. It's a piece of history that you don't usually see anywhere else. And if you ask Mr. Divine, he will give you a small tour and give you a brief history of how this little museum came to be. A lot of the items you see here was given to him by people who visited Tobago. So if you're ever visiting and you have something unique that you would like to leave with him, please feel free to. Also, he has a book or a register that you can sign, so anyone that comes will know that you were there, so you're leaving your mark. He has so many authentic items from back in the day. He has the pail, the mortar and pestle, the wood washing board, that Singer sewing machine, the old scale, old radio, coal pot, the iron or the heater as we would call it, sulfur, camera, so many great relic items along with some great pictures. I really think this was such a really unique stop, and it's a rest stop. You can get drinks, ice, you can use the restroom because it will be the only restroom on your way to Castara and it's going to be a long drive. So guys, if you're ever heading to Castara or even if you're in Tobago, look at all of these enamel cups from back in the day. So guys, if you're headed to Castara, please stop, pay Mr. Divine a visit. Please, he takes really good care of everything that he has, and it's a part of history so that we can all learn from what he has collected over the years. So, in order for him to run his shop, he needs the help of us. So, if you ever pop in to see what he has, do leave him a small donation so that he can keep all of these items in good condition so our future generation will be able to see the things we used to use a long time ago. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to leave your comments down below. Tell me if you've ever been to his rest stop before. One other thing I want to mention is the view from his washroom or his restroom is really amazing. So make sure when you use the restroom, at least take a picture of that horizon. It's really beautiful. So special thank you to Mr. Divine for allowing us to showcase his small rest stop / museum. Leave your comments down below. I'd like to hear from you what you think about seeing all of this, these things from history. Look at this dirt oven, really amazing, and it's a mini dirt oven. So coming up, you'll see the view from the washroom. It's really amazing, as I said. Just look at that beauty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to leave a small donation so he can carry on his shop. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!